Hello students. Now we are going to solve question number 5th of exercise number 12.2. In this question, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, second, area of the sector formed by the arc, and third, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Okay. So students, first of all, we draw a figure. It is the circle with center O. It is the chord AB. Subtends 60 degree at the center. It is the 60 degree angle. Then radius is 21 centimeter. Here also 21 centimeter. So first we have to find given, what are given? Radius is equal to R is equal to 21 centimeter and angle theta is equal to 60 degree. So first we will find length of the arc. Length of the arc. So what is the formula of length of the arc? That is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So theta, that is 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, that is 21. Clear? So 0 0 cancel, 6 1 6, 6 6 36, 2 1 2, 2 3 6, 3 1 3, 3 7 21, 7 1 7, 7 1 7, that is 22 centimeter is the length of arc. Secondly, we will find area of the sector. Area of sector. Sector, that means minor sector. Okay. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Right? Theta 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. Clear? 0 0 cancel, 6 1 6, 6 6 36, 7 1 7, 7 3 21, 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 2 1 2, 2 11. That is 231 centimeter square is the area of sector. Now the third part. Third part is area of the segment. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord is equal to. See students, here we have to find this area. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord, this part. Students, here we use one formula which will become easy to solve any type of question, this type of question. Clear? So formula is r square pi theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 sin theta. This formula is very useful to find the area of this segment. Otherwise, what we will do? We will first find the area of sector, then find the area of triangle, then subtract area of triangle from the area of sector to get this part, area of this part. Clear? Either do this thing or go through by the formula. Clear? Now r square is 21 into 21, that is 441, and inside pi, that is 22 upon 7 into 60 minus 1 upon 2 sine 60 degree. So what is sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. Okay. So here 0 0 cancel. We can write 6 1 is 6, 6 is 36. Now 441 in bracket 3 2 is 6, yeah, 2 3 is 6, 2 11. 11 upon 21 minus 1 upon 2 into root 3 by 2. Clear? Just cancel out these things. After cancelling, we have remain 11 upon 7 3 is 21 minus 1 upon 2 into sin 60 root 3 by 2. Now this 441 will be multiplied to both the numbers inside. That is 441 into 11. 4851 upon 21. 4851 upon 21 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square is the answer. Clear, students? So students, pause the video to be noted down and note it one thing more. After question number 5th, 6th to 14th, all the questions are depend on only 4 formulas, that is length of arc, area of minor sector, this you can find by this formula, area of minor segment, major segment. So you can use all the formula to find the answers of all the questions. That means you will have to solve the remaining questions by yourself. We will proceed to the next topic. Up to that, pause the video to be noted down.